Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie Wong, a UK immigration lawyer with over 20 years experience in UK immigration law. I created this channel to provide educational information involving UK immigration law. The information contained in my videos is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for legal advice. If you have a specific UK immigration matter or have questions that you would like to discuss, please seek legal advice from a qualified UK immigration lawyer such as myself. For information on how to book a consultation with me, you can find the link to do so in the description below. Please also note that we do not provide free legal advice. I will be posting videos regularly, so please subscribe to my channel and make sure you also enable your notifications so you know when I post a new video. Over the next few weeks, I will be doing a video series focusing on the topic regarding the UK fiance visa or proposed civil partner visa. So if you or anyone you know would be interested in this topic, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your friends and family. I have also put together a free guide on the fiance visa, which you can download completely free by clicking the link in the description below. So in today's video, I will be answering this question. Is it better to apply for a fiance visa or for a spouse visa? This is a good question again. So this depends on the couple's wants and needs, as well as their budget and practicality factors. The fiancé visa or the proposed civil partner visa would be suitable for those who cannot or do not want to get married in another country apart from the UK. So for example, if their partner has family and or friends in the UK and the couple wish to have their friends and or family members to be at their wedding or civil ceremony in the UK, or if they are a same-sex couple and they are not permitted to enter into a civil partnership in their home country, or they just prefer to have their civil partnership ceremony in the UK, or their UK-based partner cannot travel outside the UK for health reasons, for example. So for those who can get married in another country apart from the UK, then the spouse visa application may be a better option for them. The difference between the fiancé visa and the spouse visa is that the fiancé visa is only valid for a maximum period of 6 months, whereas the spouse visa is granted for a maximum period of 2 years and 9 months. Also, the fiancé visa does not allow the holder to work for a UK-based company in the UK, whereas the spouse visa allows the holder to apply for their national insurance number if they don't have one already, and to work in the UK as soon as they can. Another difference is that the time spent in the UK on a fiancé visa, i.e. 6 months maximum, does not count towards the holder's eligibility for indefinite leave to remain or settled status in the UK. This contrasts with those who apply for and enter with a UK spouse visa or a civil partner visa, as the time that they spent on the spouse visa, i.e. the minimum period of 2 years and 6 months, or the maximum period of 2 years and 9 months, will count towards their eligibility for the indefinite leave to remain status or the settled status in the UK. In terms of practicality, applying for a spouse visa as opposed to a fiancé visa is likely to save the couple time and money and stress in the long run. For example, for those who apply for the fiancé visa, they will be required to apply for the spousal route, i.e. further leave to remain as a spouse or civil partner once they are married or become a civil partner. So this means that another immigration application must be completed and submitted to the UK VI or the Home Office, and the UK VI fee and the immigration health surcharge must also be paid. Also, another set of supporting documents must also be submitted to the UK VI in support of the new immigration application. This contrasts with applying for the spouse visa from the outset, so paying the UK VI fees once and then not having to worry about the next application until at least 2.5 years' time, unlike those with the fiancé visa who must prepare and apply for the next application before the fiancé visa will expire in 6 months' time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to download your free copy of my fiancé visa guide. And if you'd like to receive regular information on UK immigration law and my law firm's services, please subscribe to our newsletter. You can find the links for both of these in the description box below.